Hi, I'm Julia Murtaugh, and I'm excited to present our newest listing in Pleasanton. 2709 Calle De La Loma is located in the desirable Country Fair neighborhood built by Ponderosa homes. Here's what you're gonna love about this home. Over the years, the owners have upgraded the home both exterior and interior. The new kitchen is a stunner in contemporary style with a large island, top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, and a separate counter bar area, all looking out to the beautiful park-like backyard. Enjoy new construction windows, new stucco, new carpets, a new large master bath ensuite, and many more upgrades to see in person. Relax in the large, peaceful backyard with many fruit trees and enjoy balmy evenings dining outside. The location of this home is amazing for all of the amenities to take advantage of in Pleasanton and the Tri-Valley. You're minutes from the ACE train, you're close to the tennis park, award-winning schools, shops, downtown, and there's great freeway access. For more information or if you'd like to see this home, please call us, email, or text us today.